In today's professional government landscape, teams face more pressure than ever, like tight timelines, complex missions, and evolving mandates. How can modern government leaders get their teams ready to face the challenges of today? With team collaboration workshops offered by Management Concepts. These half-day simulation-based workshops are designed to accelerate collaboration, improve decision-making, and most importantly, deliver results. Built for teams working in the modern government landscape, these workshops unite teams fast, aligning around shared goals, boost communication and decision-making in high-pressure situations, promote systems thinking and breaks down silos, strengthen intra-agency and stakeholder relationships, all while aligning with industry best practices, and all backed by the expertise you won't find anywhere else. Immersive, engaging, high impact. In just half a day, teams leave stronger, more aligned, and ready to deliver. Start the journey today.